On August 5th, 2024, what began as a routine traffic stop in Indiana quickly spiraled out of control. When the driver chose to flee, officers were forced into a chaotic pursuit that turned a simple stop into multiple felony charges, all captured on police bodycam footage.
Hello, it's your Oregon State Police. The reason I stopped you is your license plate light's not working.
License plate light?
Yeah. No, your license plate light.
Like, how do you turn it on?
Well, it usually turns on with your lights, but it's probably might be burned out. Do you have your driver's license or registration on you? Do you have your driver's license on you, sir? You don't have it on you? Okay. Do you have any form of identification on you? No? Is this yours? Okay. Go ahead, have him write down your full name, date of birth, and your address. Are you aware that the temporary tags on this car are expired? Expired. Looks like, according to this document, they expired on the 21st of June. All right, I'll have you guys stay in the vehicle. I'll be right back. All right, Mr. Campbell, I am not getting a return on that name with date of birth at all. March 21, 2003. February, well, that's a 3.
Oh, I thought it was. Oh, I'm sorry. I thought it was. I think the February 3rd.
No, February is the 2nd. So, February 21st, 2003. That's your final answer. All right. And you do have a driver's license? Okay. Do you know your driver's license number? Do you have a social security number? No. From Tennessee? Okay. All right.
Yeah, boss.
Hey, what were you saying didn't match up?
The signal 40, or the sex offender hit.
Yeah.
The social security number on the sex offender hit doesn't match the social on the 27th. I was looking at, yeah, I see what I did. My apologies.
No worries.
Yeah, they match for the sex offender.
Okay.
And if the picture matches your guy, that's who you've got.
I mean, it looks slightly different, but I mean, the 27, he looks a little bit skinnier, but he does have a tattoo on his neck. I'll just see if it's the same tattoo. I'm just gonna go see if it's the same tattoo. So.
Okay.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome. Bye.
Bye. Can I see the tattoo on your neck real quick? What's that? I just want to see the tattoo on your neck real quick. All right, so when I run the name that you give me, that's who it comes up. And the tattoos don't match, so I think you're giving me, I think you're playing around with me. Yeah. Step out of the car for me real quick. Okay.
Eastbound 469, careful. Vehicle has taken the exit for I-469. Allen County, our guy's gonna try to get the 6 469. Clear Allen County, attempting to get the stop sticks out at Weston Road. Passing along, about 100 still, left lane, light traffic, no traffic. Still 100 mile an hour. Vehicle is now blacked out. Approaching State Road 930. Picture the reguy, that's my door trolley. Eastbound in the westbound lane, State Road 930. Okay, getting back on the 469. Pursuit is now northbound in the southbound lanes of I-469 from the 19-mile marker. Like you said, just like up there. 469.
You're going the wrong way down the street.
Clear. Vehicle exited down the again. on Maysville Road, State Road 37, attempting to. We need a state unit, let me around, 2270, let me around. Vehicle rear, try to call up. Northbound Maple Crest, 469. Vehicle 1050 on Flugger at Maple Crest.
There's one passenger, one driver. Driver, show us your hands.
Car! Passenger! Exit the vehicle! Exit the vehicle, face away from me now! Walk backwards towards me! Keep walking, keep walking, keep walking! Keep your hands in the air! Keep coming, keep walking, keep walking.
We're going to bring her back behind your vehicle.
Now, take 3 steps to your left. 2 more steps. Keep walking. Walk back. Walk backwards. Backwards.
My location is shared.
Drop your phone. Drop your phone.
Diamond, my location is shared. Oh my God. I told him not to do that.
Watch him go back to my car. 22 up on the table.
He's out there, it's wide open space there, and this is a field.
And we got units over here.
McKinsey and Carol are up there. He's got his dog. I told him to go up there and sit on the other side of this tree line.
They got a dog too, so.
He's I'm saying, like, when did you ever have me to a position where I was resisting?
Are you Frank 282?
Yeah.
Can you loosen the cuffs a little bit, please?
You have my custody now.
Please, sir.
What?
Loosen the cuffs up a little bit. This
They're
left
properly
one.
spaced.
The left one, please.
Look up that way. Lift your head up. Yeah, it's the same guy. I already saw you once tonight.
What?
In the car before you took off.
You never seen me, sir.
Yeah, okay.
Why the hell are you hunting under a tarp?
Okay, sit up.
Jump, huh?
Sit up.
I just got jumped.
Sit up.
I can't. My back. I can't.
That's right.
Lift up. You just ran through a woods. Let's go.
Excuse me, sir.
We'll help you out.
Is you the sheriff? Can I? Wait, hold on. My arm, my back. I swear to God, I'm not doing nothing.
What's hurting?
Is you the sheriff, sir?
No.
Can I
Okay,
speak
get your
to
knees.
the head deputy, please? Like, my back is hurt.
Okay, we'll get you
We'll
man.
take you to the
We'll get
hospital,
you
get you checked out then.
It hurt. Like,
Stand up. You just
Okay.
ran.
I can't stand up, sir.
Can you sit on, go on your back and then sit on your butt?
Yeah.
Can you all
Yeah.
hold on.
Makes
Can
sense.
you like get your arm for me, like my shoulder? That shit hurt. Please? I'm walking. Yeah, we're in the car.
What did I say? He's in here with all. Oh my God, this night's just not going well for me.
Can I speak to a head deputy, please, first?
You already Miranda.
I'll let Wolverton do it.
Can I speak to a deputy, please?
I don't think there's any deputies right here, so no.
Can I speak to like whoever in charge right here? I just got like a quick question.
You just take a seat. Take a seat. We'll talk to you in a minute.
Bring your legs down.
All right, so we meet again. All right, I'm gonna have you see seatbelted in. All right, I'm gonna have you step out of the vehicle. You're gonna come over to mine. You guys did a pat down.
Ah, fuck, man.
All right, go ahead, walk towards my car. Your girlfriend? Mm-hmm. Well, she's in the car where you left her.
So she's good.
She's good.
All right, so that matters.
Evidently didn't care about her when you ran from her.
On March 24th, 2025, he appeared in court and pleaded guilty to identity deception, resisting law enforcement, operating a motor vehicle without ever receiving a license, and reckless driving that endangered public safety. He was sentenced to 210 days in the Indiana Department of Correction. If you found this video informative, make sure to like, comment your thoughts below, and subscribe for more real police body cam footage and true crime content.